Okay, let's start by having a look at the RockTape. Now, the first thing I like about it is it's actually 97% cotton, which is unlike a lot of other tapes on the market, which is good. It's also hypoallergenic. Now, let's go and have a look at it. So, this is water resistant. So that means it doesn't come off with water, but it's resistant to it. If you get it under the tape, it can come off. Now, the other thing about it as well is I found this a bit stronger than some of the other tapes in the market. So some of the cheaper ones come off straight away. With this one, I find it stays at quite a long time. So there it is just there, and there's a label at the back. So what I've done is I've got a wrist injury at the moment. There's my wrist just there. Got an injury just in there, and I want to look at using this for it. So I've got the tape here. Now, as you can see, you peel it off here. Now, it's pretty easy to peel off. I like to cut the edges off. It's personal preference, guys, because what I find is that if it's a square edge, it comes off a lot quicker. Just peel it off there. So there's the RockTape there. Now, I'll get the arm. Now, this is not a recommendation of how to do it. It's just an example of how you can. I'm putting it there against my arm. So if you guys can see that just there. So across there. And I'm going to go and put it like that and hold it in. Now, what you want to do is you want to rub it so it gets the compression against the skin. So I'll go back a bit. You want to rub it so it gets compression against the skin like that. And I'll get the other piece just here. Again, you take off the backing and you apply it against the wrist. So take that there. Again, there's my wrist just there. So I'll do it from this side just there and around to the other side, and I'll stretch it out like that. And again, rub it down. And there's my, let me have a look. So there's my strapping for my wrist, see, just there. So I'm going to leave this on for a while, but generally this lasts a couple of days without doing it, but that's going to give my support for my wrist when I do my workouts and make it feel a lot better.